Aha! Let me take you on a tour to Ayongbaye's gallery. Because Araba ni baba, eni abalaba ni baba. That's right. Have you been looking for the right plug for your drums? Or you've been wondering on how to get a janjanty, fantastic, fantabulous, durable, reliable, dependable, and alupepepe drum? Look no further and contact us at Ayongbaye Bata Drumming Art. We repair, we build, and we sell all kind of African drums. There you are. You can still contact us for your Western musical instrument. Ibadan office, number 1, Babalola Junction, Odono, Elewe Orita Challenge. Ondo office, number 144, Surulere beside Bovas. We are all about drums. Our surprise packages is not what mouth can fathom. If it is not Ayongbaye Bata, then it is not African. If it is not African, it is not cultured. And if it is not cultured, it is not a surprise. Don't sleep on it. We are the best plug. 080 38 42 72 39. We also train people on how to play various drums. Come and learn. Ayongbaye Bata. Let the drums talk.